fans club ndakumana ndi yo obeba ndifotokozere kuti kodi show muona modani.
Amafuna ghetto yo ne ghetto yabwera.
How's been your experience over here?
It's a really fun experience though. Like and today abwera because I've seen so many people in my show. My show na majula and so he put the proper price and people that actually listen to Malawian music actually came through. Like Gwamba
What can you say about the mad love of people your fans have shown you today?
It's going on well. Like I've met my fans, so my fans are in also and they hala what. So it's a good experience, like to interact with your fans, like one-on-one. Cinema my freestyle. Command in the fan of Viral. I want the mangiga. Got to see Spyral.
Thank you so much for your